Now currently traded at 0001. You guys opened up today at the 0002. Volume currently at 11 million. You see it flipping back and forth right now between those two, the 0001, 0002. Now the volume is currently at 21 million. Watching this one in live time. You're gonna have a little bit of resistance right now at that 0002. Hopefully that's gonna become a support. There is a gap between the 01 and 02. I would not stress that one too much right now, in my personal opinion. You guys are currently above the 30-day simple moving average, which is at 0002. I wouldn't want to see any more closes below this as well to hold that up. Okay, so that's what we're going to be watching for, possibly getting set up for a pop here. I would put this one on your radar. 0002 is going to be that resistance, and then a lot of resistance at 0003. So, of course, those are going to be close together, mainly because of the 30-day simple moving average. And then 0003 off of that. Get these 20 days here. And remember here, take a look at this right here. That is July of 2015. So it hasn't really traded too much here as well. But again, this is our first time taking a look at this one. And hopefully that there's an opportunity. If you got that opportunity on the table, we're going to watch it. So, Joe, can you add anything for this? Any kind of updates? I mean, look at that. 105 million shares traded, 114. Something's up, 120. Wow, that is moving. 121, 22. Really, that volume is spiking massive right now while we're doing this one.
Let's see. I pulled up the annual report that was published on March 1st, 2017. Let's see over here. They don't. All right. So yeah, they didn't have the share structure up to date over here. So in the annual report, it's obviously here. So let me just scroll over to that first. All right. So as of this quarterly report, it was for the period ended December 31st, 2016.
And there goes the 0003, guys. I'm sorry to cut you off, Joe. But because we're watching this in live time right now, 0003 just hit, and that's what I was watching for. So I think that this one's setting up. Again, if you're lucky enough to get something lower, I would definitely try to get something lower than 0003 to lock in any loss, potentials. But that's just my opinion, as always. And again, I apologize, Joe.
Oh, it's all good. All right, so as of December 31st, 2016, the total shares authorized was 3,500,000,000. And that's as of the date of this quarterly report. So the total shares outstanding was 1,557,048,846 shares. That's it. And let's see, let me go down to their financials. They had a few different things. Like I'm pulling this up, and it said recent changes as of January 1st, 2016. Jim Frack was named interim president and CEO to oversee the acquisition of Puritan Street Beverages and transition of new management. Chris Wallach, president, and Chris Stone, vice president. During the transition, the company also by the terms of the Puritan agreement. So they acquired Puritan, and that was on effective June 1st, 2016. The company acquired Puritan Street Beverages Incorporated, a California corporation pursuant to the plan and agreement of reorganization. Let's see, PSB by the issuance of 500 million shares of the company's common stock. All right, so that's that. So I'm just going to go down to their revenues. Just scrolling down. All right, so as of this report, on cash they had $6,930, and for a total of like property and equipment, everything else of $46,725. Total assets of $58,265. Total liabilities and equity deficit, or total liabilities and equity is $58,265. All right, so net sales was $135,440. Cost of goods sold was $133,204. So they had a gross profit of $2,236. So the income or loss from operations, they had a loss of $2,114. And that is pretty much that. I mean, there's obviously more regarding the company, because I mean they just acquired that other company that kind of getting established within this thing. So obviously it's more due diligence to be had. So if you're willing to do that, or you're interested in doing that, just go right over to the FDFT board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. As always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using Investors Hangout daily by posting right over there on that Foodfest International 2000 Incorporated board.
All right, and that's all right here at your fingertips. Again, 0002. Watch, huge volume spike here and could be setting up for a run. Resistance at 0002 and 3. You guys just hit that 3. Watch, could go on a technical analysis alert here shortly. I'm watching this volume right now. It's at 123. Hasn't really moved up anymore since it hit that 0003. So we're going to continue to watch this one as we move forward. FDFT, if you follow the stock, make sure you subscribe and get out there and join this video with all other investors. We'd appreciate it. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will cover it. And make sure you join our next live show at investorshangout.com/live.